Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Megan and I'm your body piercer on the journey to losing 100 pounds. Oh my god! So I woke up this morning and I hit 900 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I am just over the top. I've only been doing this for a few months now and I just appreciate all your support. It really means so much to me that so many of you want to go on your own health and fitness journey as well as continue to encourage me on mine. So today is a short and sweet video for you. I didn't film breakfast because I've been kind of eating the same things, just having some eggs for breakfast. I am doing Lift 4. I know that I have been doing a lot of 2B mindset stuff for you, but it can be interchangeable. A lot of the same meals that you can eat on Lift 4 can be done with 2B mindset, and I have a really great low carb dinner for you in store. So stay tuned and see what I eat today. This recipe is super simple. All you need is cucumbers, a little onion. I'm adding in a little bit of peppers because I have some laying around, some dill. Whatever. Some dill and some sour cream. You're gonna mix it all in together. I'll put the full recipe in the description for you and then let it sit for about an hour and then you have your lunch. All right, so we've been having our salad marinade for a little bit in the fridge, and I've also paired it with just a few slices of salami and one slice of cheese. The trick I have with the cheese that you can like get more bang for your buck, just use one slice of cheese and then cut it into little slices, and then you can just roll it in together so you're not having a whole slice of cheese for each slice of salami, especially if you're trying to eat a little bit more on the healthier side. I do always suggest, I use Hellshire Farm, and no added protein, no added hormones, no added salt, no added nitrates. You have to really watch, especially with your deli meat, because it might say that it's good for you, but just make sure that you're checking. And there you have it, lunch is served. For today's shake, I'm going to be testing out a new peanut butter. I'm really trying hard to watch my sugar intake and also my carb intake. Normally, I use the Jif Naturals, which is still a really good peanut butter. It's low in sodium, but today I am going to try the Smucker's natural peanut butter. It's a little bit higher in protein, lower in carbs, and also lower in sugar. So I'm gonna see what it's like in my shake, and I'm gonna make it for you now. Tested a little bit of that while I was making the shake, and I was like, whoa, there is definitely not the same sweetness that I got with the Jif versus the Smucker's, but let's see what it's like in the shake. Cheers. It's good. I'm just like trying to figure out, like, I mean, peanut butter, who doesn't love peanut butter? I'm just trying to figure out what that taste is. I think it's more of like that you're actually like eating like peanuts versus like eating peanut butter, if that makes sense. I'm trying to explain it, but yeah, it tastes good. Gosh, definitely gonna stick with this and see how I do. So for dinner tonight, we are going to do bacon wrapped stuffed chicken breast, and this is really easy to do. It's just one of those recipes that, especially if you're in a rush, you don't know what to cook, you can easily put this together because most of us have all of the ingredients right in our fridge. All right, let's get started. Dinner is served. I couldn't get the bacon to crisp up that well because I'm not really good at using the broiler. So if you definitely want crispier bacon, I would just broil it for 5 minutes or so before you finish cooking it. All right, so there you have it, another Wednesday. As always, all of the recipes are in the description below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week.